The 2023 Renault Captur E-TECH full hybrid brings sleek styling and an efficient powertrain to the small SUV segment. This stylish crossover features a modern interior packed with technology and a hybrid system that delivers sprightly performance. On the outside, the Captur makes a bold styling statement with its sloping roofline and chiseled lines. Distinctive C-shaped LED running lights give it a high-tech look, while 17-inch alloy wheels and chrome exterior accents add premium touches. Available two-tone paint schemes help the Captur stand out from the crowd. Inside, the cabin looks crisp and contemporary, with body-hugging seats and blue ambient lighting. Piano black and chrome trim elements lend an upscale vibe. The Captur comes loaded with tech like a 10-inch digital gauge cluster, 9.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, and a wireless phone charging pad. Under the hood lies an innovative gasoline-electric hybrid powertrain. A 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine works together with two electric motors, producing a total system output of 145 horsepower. Power gets sent to the front wheels via a clever multi-mode transmission that smooths out gear changes. This advanced hybrid setup enables sprightly acceleration while maximizing efficiency. Renault estimates the all-wheel drive Captur E-TECH is capable of up to 60 mpg combined. Thanks to its 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack, this stylish crossover can drive over 30 miles on electricity alone when conditions allow. On the road, the Captur E-TECH delivers a quiet and comfortable ride. The suspension smooths out bumps and road imperfections with ease. The hybrid system provides torquey response off the line, transitioning seamlessly to the gas engine at higher speeds. Steering feels precise and well-weighted. Drivers will appreciate the Captur's generous passenger and cargo space. There's ample room for 4 adults to stretch out, while the rear seats fold flat to accommodate bulkier items. Thoughtful storage compartments throughout the cabin help keep things organized. When it comes to driver assistance tech, the Captur E-TECH checks all the boxes. Available features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. An HD surround view camera system provides multiple exterior camera angles to make parking hassle-free. Pricing for the Renault Captur starts around $29,000, making this stylish and efficient hybrid crossover a strong value compared to rivals. 3 trim levels are offered, ranging from the well-equipped Equilibre to the more luxurious Initiale Paris model. With head-turning looks, an advanced hybrid powertrain, and a tech-filled interior, the new 2023 Renault Captur E-TECH makes a compelling case in the small crossover segment. Drivers who prioritize fuel efficiency and cutting-edge style will find this electrified SUV well worth a test drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.